Atomy offers a free registration at walang membership fee, no capital to start your business, at hindi mo kailangan ng monthly purchases para i-maintain ang iyong Atomy account. Atomy is an online multi-level marketing platform kung saan pwede kang mag-purchase ng mga Korean product including delivery without paying any customs fee. Each Atomy product you purchase has a point value, which we call PV. For example, Evening Care Set has 14,000 PV, or one box of Himohim has 73,000 PV and 9,000 PV for Atomy Vitamin C. Ito ang mga points na pwede mong ma-accumulate while using Atomy products na magiging cashback na matatanggap mo. Let's talk about your group. Kung sa ibang company, they required you na magkaroon ng many accounts, dito sa Atomy ay meron lamang tayong isang account policy. Magkakaroon ka ng dalawang groups, a left and a right group. While using Atomy products for your daily necessities, you will accumulate points as your personal points, or we call it PV. Now, listen carefully as we will discuss your commission. Kapag nag-accumulate ka na ng initial PV, your Atomy account is activated and you will automatically start accumulating points galing sa iyong left and right group PV. Kapag yung both group mo is naka-accumulate ng the same 300,000 points value, Atomy pays you a commission. By switching to Atomy products at tuloy-tuloy ang pagbili mo ng Atomy products as your personal use, you will accumulate more points value from 10,000 PV up to 300,000 PV. As your groups continue to purchase Atomy products, mag-a-accumulate ka ng points from those who join under your group. And when that happens, automatically makaka-receive ka ng more higher commission from Atomy. Ganun kadali and very easy to earn here at Atomy. Pwede ka magkaroon ng mga partners from any country. So, your groups can have an unlimited number of consumers. Hindi mo kailangan mag-recruit ng mga tao, but to focus on sharing benefits using Atomy products with absolute price, absolute quality, made in Korea directly with consumers. Atomy is more than just a brand. It's a company driven by a burning passion to make a difference while leaving a positive impact on society.